Hello. In this video I will show you how to install Twitter Deck application. First you need to create Twitter app and get consumer key and consumer secret. Unzip your bundle and go to web app folder. Copy all files and folders and paste into your server path. Now create a database. I've already created a database. Now locate your server URL path in browser and run the URL. You will see the setup screen for Twitter Deck. In step 1, enter database details such as database host, database user, password, and database name. In step 2, enter Twitter API key and secret. I've already created Twitter app and have key and secret. In step 3, enter email address and name and click on install and run. Installation is done. You will get user details via email.